There's no doubt that food cooked the Zepter way is extremely tasty and healthy. But we all remember the wonderful smells of our mother's kitchen before all this technology was available. Do you remember those marvelous soups, those delicious hot dishes? Well, now there's a powerful new product from the Zepter family which will let you enjoy those dishes again. Cyncro Clik. Cyncro Clik is a device which turns 5 of the exquisite pots from the Masterpiece collection into a new generation of pressure cookers. Now this lets you cook perfect meals in a third of the time, without sacrificing any of the rich flavor and goodness. Use Cyncro Clik whenever you're in a hurry. If you like cooking but can't afford a whole afternoon just to prepare one meal, Cyncro Clik is the thing for you. If you want food that isn't complicated or fatty, meat that melts like butter with lots of fresh vegetables, and you want it in a hurry, you'll choose Cyncro Clik. Now, we've already learned that it makes no sense at all to cook vegetables in water, and how the Masterpiece collection lets us do without the water. But what if we want to make soup? We can't cook soup without water. This is where Cyncro Clik comes into its own. What lifts Cyncro Clik and the entire Masterpiece collection out of the crowd is their versatility, the choices they offer. You can choose traditional cooking, cooking the Zepter way, or pressure cooking the Zepter way. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Cyncro Clik pressure lid. You'll see how simple it is. We can use it with any 20 centimeter Zepter pot. That's the 3, the 3.7, 4.2, 4.7 or 5.8 litre pot. Today I'm going to use this 3.7 litre pot. Now I've already filled it with food. We never fill past the 2/3 mark. And I've used a little water. You can use water or stock, whatever, to generate the steam that cooks the food inside the pot. The Zepter Cyncro Clik pressure lid is made of the highest quality materials. Like all the Masterpiece collection, it has a thermo-control which regulates the cooking process. This red button is the pressure indicator. When the pot's up to pressure, about 1 bar, and temperature, about 120 degrees centigrade, this button pops out. We also use the button to release the pressure at the end of cooking. It's very simple to use. We place lid on the pot, turn the handle, 1 click, and the pot's hermetically sealed. Now we turn the heat up to maximum. Once the red button pops up, we turn the heat down to minimum again, because the acuthermal base of all Zepter cookware saves energy. Now the cooking time is running. Now that our food's almost cooked, let's talk about the advantages of this state-of-the-art product and the benefits it brings. This product is the best of its kind on the market because of its perfect safety. That's guaranteed by the multi-stage safety system and superior materials and production quality. With Zepter's Cyncro Clik 2 lid, you have a pot which can be either a pressure cooker or a general-purpose cooking pot, which goes with the rest of the home art collection. So you can use it for frying healthy food or cooking the Zepter way. Zepter always gives you more. Now, the advantages of cooking under pressure are well known, but with Zepter you get more because all your choices are healthy. You can also use Cyncro Clik to sterilize babies' dishes and utensils. It's perfect for that because it withstands temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius. Thanks to the shorter cooking time and the fact that less water is used, food retains more vitamins and minerals. Cooking with Cyncro Clik also tenderizes tough food, making it easier to digest. Because food cooks 80% faster, it's ideal when you're in a hurry. You put the prepared food into the pot, then by the time you've finished setting the table, you have a wonderful meal ready. Because it takes less time, it also uses less energy. Now, Zepter pots are designed to use less energy, and they have a very good record for this. But with Cyncro Clik, you save even more. Because less energy is used, the kitchens of Zepta cooks never look like a sauna. With Zepta, good becomes better. When you cook with Clik, there are no messy spills on the cooktop. Once the cooking time's up, we remove the pot from the heat and release the pressure. There are 3 ways of doing this. First, with the valve facing away from you, tap the red button, releasing the pressure in short bursts in the pot. The third way is to turn the power off just before cooking finishes. Then the temperature drops and the pressure drops while cooking completes. Once the button's down, we can remove the top and serve this delicious meal. Let's again remind ourselves about the benefits of cooking with Clik. Steam under pressure softens the fibre in food, making even the toughest food digestible in just a matter of minutes. And furthermore, this dynamic cooking method intensifies the flavours in food, so you need less salt in a lot of dishes. You can cook a whole range of foods with Clik. Just look at this tasty soup, or this delicious stroganoff. What could be better? We've heard a lot about the Zepta way of cooking. We know that it helps preserve what's best in food. But we also know that there are days when we don't have hours to prepare a meal. Clik has brought a new quality to the Masterpiece collection. The option of being able to eat healthy meals even on days when you only have a few minutes to prepare them. Clik ensures that all users of the Masterpiece collection get the full benefit, that they have time for both a personal and a business life. And best of all, it cooks really healthy food. Let everything click into place. Clik, the healthy option.